YouTube is hard, and it causes imposter syndrome when you're first starting out. In today's video, I want to talk about and continue on the topic of imposter syndrome with a subcategory of it's hard. Let me tell you, over the last couple weeks, I started off motivated and really strong. But as the days went by and the time went by and putting in all the videos and the effort, looking at the statistics, your analytics, and seeing you got no views or you've got limited views, when you're so excited of putting your all into your videos and you post and you like, man, this is gonna be good, it's gonna be of value, but then you got no views. You look and you got no views at all. So I just want to tell you, don't give up. Look at this video here. Well, not video, but I'm sorry, look at this screenshot that I did of my videos, the last several videos that I did. I said, nobody's watching. Nobody wants to hear what you have to say, Cliff. Nobody's interested. You don't have the setup that you have like the other people have, even though I talked about the minimal equipment that you need just to get started. But what I did was I looked at what the commitment that I've given to myself. And what I did was actually look at the number of subscribers. Yes, I don't have 1,000 subscribers yet. I have 15. I need to be proud of that. I need to commit to my audience. I need to commit to you guys and never give up. Look at my playlist. I was all over the place. I wanted to be like everyone. I wanted to do everything that everyone had as far as for videos. I have affirmation videos, which I feel that is helpful, but it's just the mix of my channel. So I need to narrow down and focus more and stop having that imposter syndrome. If you're having the imposter syndrome, I understand. I really do understand. But don't give up. Just get started. All right. Hopefully, just this short video will motivate you and let you know that it is hard, because you will want to give up at the initial stages. But if you look at where everyone came from, they came from day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 6 months, a year. And look at where a lot of these successful channels that you like, that you enjoy, look at where they're at today. They did not start at the top. Everyone had to start at the bottom from day 1 and work through their challenges, work through their struggles. And that's part of life, and it's part of what I'm finding out with YouTube. It'll grow you. It will grow you. All right, guys, please comment in below. Let me know if this video has been helpful for you. Let me know if it inspired you, and I'll be back for part 3. Take care and be blessed.